how you can log in to your Venmo account. Now Venmo can be used to just transfer and receive money, and it is a really simple app. So I'll teach you guys how to log in from your website, from your PC. So all you need to do is open up your web browser and then search for Venmo. So after searching for Venmo, you can see right here, just click on the link, or you can directly go to venmo.com. Now as you can see, there are a few options right here, that is send and receive, pay with Venmo, Venmo for business. The one we want to click on is login. After you click on login, your page will start loading up. Just go through the verifications. And after you've verified that, click on login again, and there you go. So first you need to type in your email number, your mobile email ID, your mobile, or your username. Let's just type in my username, that is my email. And after typing in my email, I'll need to just type in my password. Now make sure that you use your correct email and password, and after you've used your correct credentials, all you need to do is click on login, and you'll be logged in into your Venmo. So that is all for the video, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and also press on the bell icon so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.